guys, we're going to be making slime today, and what you're going to need is a container. Some Elmer's glue is the best, and borax, a cup of warm water, a bowl or a container to make it in, a teaspoon, like half a teaspoon or a full 1 teaspoon, and a spoon. You want to take your bowl and put the glue inside of it. And put as much as you want, as much slime as you want. I really want a lot of slime, so I'm going to put quite a bit much glue. Now you're going to want to get your borax and I'm going to put 2 half teaspoons inside the cup of water. 1, 2. Then you're going to want to stir it, though you're going to want to let it set for 4 minutes, but after you put the borax in, you're going to want to stir it for like 2 minutes, and then you're going to want to let it set for 4 minutes. After the cup of water and borax have been set for 4 minutes, you're going to want to put 1 teaspoon, and then you're going to want to stir it with the wrong spoon, exactly. You're going to want to keep on stirring it. It's going to look like it ain't going to be going together. But if you keep on stirring it, I'm going to add one more because it's going to be a little bit difficult. And you're going to want to play with it with your hands. Your hands is going to get all like gluey. But if you just keep on playing with it, after a while it'll get better. After a while it's going to be really good after a while. But I'm still playing with it, and you're going to want to keep on playing with it for a very long time, like 10 minutes you're going to want to play with it. And then it will start to be really, see, there's no glue, and I haven't even washed my hands. It's actually really good so far. And only 2 half a teaspoons of borax solution that I put in there, and it's actually really good. So you shouldn't add too much, or it will get really, really bad. That's it for the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.